Guys, what's up? It's another video, and I'm going to be showing you this really cool boat that I got on Roblox. I think a lot of you know about Roblox, but it will be a lot of fun, and yeah, I'll talk right into it. It is called Shark Bite right here. There's been a lot of updates already. The shark comes at you and stuff. You drive, and yeah, there's different sharks that you can get. And yeah, this will be a lot of fun. A lot of people play it, and a lot of people play Roblox too. Oh, sorry guys, it's a little bit loud, but here is someone threw the boat down there. Oh wait, no, there's the boat. But someone threw a boat. Oh wait, no, someone parked the boat there. They're probably throw it down like this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And stay tuned to find out what my secret second fast boat is, guys. I played a lot of Shark too, but I don't usually get Shark Tooth. You just gotta play the game real hard. Okay, I'll show you guys now. It is not this boat, that's the fastest. But the fastest boat is this one. No, this is the second fastest. Wait, what's this? Chase chest. It's the chase chest. I got the very fast boats, guys. Please don't beat me, please don't beat me, please don't beat me. Okay, Cool Kid 11 HPs. So, this boat is very fast, guys. And the steering wheel moves it takes 1 second to go to the top from the bottom. I'm not gonna write anyone because that would just be crazy. And they would just get the chest with me. Only one person. They would chance. So I got 5% chance when being a shark. Look at this, guys. This is the driver's seat. I'm gonna wait till the timer's up. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. Now I'll show you how fast it is, guys. You ready? 3, 2, 1. That's the turning. And 3, 2, 1, go! It is so fast. Look at the steering wheel. You ready? 3, 2, 1. So I can dodge sharks like crazy, guys. That's the reason why I follow. These people has the fastest boat in the game. What? That's no fair, they flipped my boat. I mean, it still goes. Come on, Johnny. Come on. Flip it over. Yes, we got it, guys. Now I'm gonna go knock their boat down. If I can. Guys, I know the shark's near us. That boat just got demolished. You guys know where the shark is coming down there. And so this is a pretty good boat. Good dodge sharks. And it goes. Wait, let me just get out of the boat. I'll show you guys how fast it goes. It goes about. Oh, you see the shark over there? It goes about 133. It's coming for us. It's coming for us. It's coming for us, guys. Oh. I think it's going for some of us. Look at Chester. I wonder where the chest is. Oh yeah, it's supposed to drop in a few minutes. What? What happened? circle in the background. I died, guys. So, yeah, that's my boat. I just wanted to show you guys my So what's the sign say, guys? Support the let's leave a like. How do we leave a like? Support the development. Leave a like for more updates. I'm trying to like it. Press the like. But I don't know how. Well, I guess all I wanted to show you guys today